Welcome back. Today I'm showing you 3 budget-friendly Easter DIYs. Okay, I'm starting out with 2 clay terracotta pots that I found in DollarTree. There was a bit of a crack on this one, so I added a little glue. And I want to paint these, and I'm going to use jet black apple barrel matte and white to make a nice gray. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's see. Yeah, I like that color. So I'll get both pots painted. Okay, I think I'm going to mix up just a bit more and make it a little darker and do a little bit of accenting with a little darker gray. Okay, so these are dry and it's kind of got a bit of a cement-like look to it. I love it. I just wanted these pots to be a neutral color. And I'm gonna add some styrofoam now. Okay, so I'm gonna use bamboo skewers to attach to these sequins eggs. Push them down into the foam. Okay, I'm gonna add this glitter vase filler with these nice, fun spring colors around here. And I'll add a bit of hot glue so that they stay. Okay, and these eggs have a string that should come out pretty easily, hopefully, like the small eggs do. Yeah, and I'll just add my skewer right into the same hole. And I'll go ahead and complete my second one the same way. And I have a little scrap piece of lace that I want to add a small ribbon to each one of the topiaries. fun pastels, but not over the top thanks to the gray pots. Okay, for this bunny, I want to make him gray. I'm going to use apple barrel white and jet black again for a neutral bunny. And with the spackling dry, now it's time to give him a nice gingham bow tie. Okay, using the Create Your Own Ornaments, I want to trace out the egg shape on this wood contact paper. So I'm going to put the fake wood on the real wood to have wooden Easter eggs. Right, and I want to use a stencil and a bit of white paint, foam brush, from DollarTree. Right, I'm going to use these fun ABC stickers to spell out hop. I love the color and the faux wood grain of this contact paper. These eggs came out great. These all came out so great, but I think the bunny with the texture is my favorite.